The 7962 is an enterprise class 802.11n 3x3 access point. Now this is a concurrent dual band, which means it's got two radios in it, so you can have clients on both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz simultaneously. The 3x3 two-stream gives you the ability to have a total data rate of 300 megabits per second. Now one of the things you want to do is always make sure you can get that 300 megabits per second as often as possible. That's accomplished through antenna systems. Now ours has a dual polarized antenna. Now let's take a look at that antenna more in depth. Taking the cover off the 7962, you see this fancy antenna system. Now normally an 802.11n access point from a competitor will have 3 or 4 omnidirectional antennas. What this has is actually an antenna array that is comprised of 19 antenna elements. You can see those elements. You have to look very closely around here, but you actually see these multiple elements. Now starting from the top, you actually see that we have one element up here, but this also has accelerometers. Now an accelerometer is what tells your smartphone whether it's portrait or landscape. This actually tells our system whether the access point is vertically or horizontally mounted. That actually can change the pattern of the antenna to better accommodate client devices. Now looking around here, you see a lot of different pieces of metal. These are all antenna elements. Now what happens is as the radio chip transmits, it actually has a switching system that decides where that energy flow is going to go. Now I'm going to take a look, I'm going to